All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, where you are. Rick Reed here with the Money on Flyer. This is the new Money on Fire Flyer. Are you tired of being broke? Well, now you can do something about it. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can easily do 2,000 up to 5,000 or more a month, or weekly, or daily. It is so simple just by mailing this flyer. Hey, look, what I need you to do, click on that subscribe button. Also, click on the notification bell so you get all my important updates. And give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment. Now let's get into it. Now, also, if you want to see this newer flyer, go to cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Feel free to give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. All right, now, I want you to just imagine getting cash and stamps in the mail. All right, this is one of the most productive program you'll see out there. It's a one-time payment of $200 and 5 books of stamps, and the Money on Fire flyer is yours, ready for you to send out to thousands of people and you to reap the benefits. Now, I'm getting a good return of 7 to 10 business days is when I'm getting a response, a phone number, a call back, a message left when this flyer is sent out. Okay, now here it is. No cold calling, no personal selling, no explaining. This flyer is so simple and easy for you to understand. Look at here, right here. You guys are gonna make one copy of this flyer. You're gonna send $100, okay, and 5 books of stamps to the person in box 1. You're gonna send $100 and 5 books of stamps to the person in box number 2. Okay, now this is what I call first mover's advantage, because if there were no one here, you would not have to send anything. Okay, again, go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. You're gonna see this Money on flyer, and this box is going to be empty when you go there and download it. Simply print it out, send it in. And that's how the program works. When you join, a person is going to send you $100 and 5 books of stamps. All right, I'm going to send you the marketing kit. I'm going to send you the 120 leads on fill and stick label, and I'm going to send you $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. It's going to be a certificate. It's going to be emailed to you, people. Everything will be emailed to you except for your hot fire leads, this 120 leads. That will be mailed to you. You will get a tracking number. Okay, I'll take a picture of it and I'll text it to you right here. Your name, your address, city, state, email address, and phone number. If you do not have an email address, you're going to have to send another $20 in addition to the $100 and the 5 books of stamps for me to go and make copies of this and send it to you. Okay, that's the whole purpose. Everything I do is one-stop shop. It's going to go directly to your email. All you got to do is print it out or send it to whoever you're going to have do your flyers for you. It is so simple. It is so easy for you to make some mailbox money with the Money on Fire flyer, people. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. Okay? This is so simple. It is so easy to do. If you could take an envelope and put a stamp on an envelope, stuff that envelope with this Money on Fire flyer. Okay? Put your hot lead on there that we're going to give to you. Also in the marketing kit are all my resources of everything I use where I get postcards, where I get the flyers made for cheap, where I get my stamps. Okay, 100 stamps for $25. That's right, 100 US stamps. These are the forever stamps and the different types of stamps that they have, but they are US postal stamps for $25, people. I have those resources for you. I have the resources of publications. You can post your flyer in for like $90, okay, and have it going to thousands of people. Okay, so I have so many places for you to post ads that I've written in the marketing kit. All you do is copy and paste the ad that I wrote in there with your phone number or your email address, and people will respond and send you the cash, send you the money. You just explain it to them. If you're having an issue, simply call me, 832-906-6411. I will explain it to a person for you. Okay, but I need you on the phone so you can see and listen to what I'm doing. And then all you have to do is just bring your flyer out, read from your flyer. Look how beautiful this has been put together. And it's so simple, it is so easy. Okay, you're gonna send $100 to box 1, you'll send $100 to box 2. Okay, if a person is there along with 5 books of stamps, and the same thing would happen for you. It is a one-time $200. Again, you can give me a call, 832-906-6411, or you can go to www.cashcowprogram.com. Get this flyer. When you go there, you're going to put your name, you're going to put your email address, you're going to hit enter, and once you hit enter, it's going to take you into the website where you're going to see 59 hot money making flyers, you know, and you choose it best based on your investment income. Okay, your investment income. People, here's my disclaimer. If you do nothing, you get nothing. If you're tired of being broke, then do something about it. Get this money on fire. Flyer is waiting for you. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Okay, or give me a call, 832-906-6411. All right, I send you the leads, I send you the grocery coupon certificates. Okay, I send you the marketing kit. All you have to do is mail your flyer. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get.